Hello friends and welcome back to another gardening video, and today's video is about the lazy way to compost, and this can be easily used in your home garden. Composting is an eco-friendly method of turning kitchen and garden waste into nutrient-dense matter for plants, and adding compost maintains a healthy soil. And most important thing is that it is a free of cost fertilizer and it suits almost all the plants. If you're someone who has a small apartment balcony and you have some pots over there, then this small scale method of preparing compost is for you. For this I have used my garden waste and the kitchen waste, which are these peels of vegetables, and I keep them in a container and wait till the container gets filled up. And I also use tea leaf in this compost. And once I have sufficient quantity, what I do is take any of my garden pot, and I prefer a clay garden pot. So 1 or 2 pots I use for composting. On the lower part I add some soil, and then I add some pre-made compost also, and then whatever kitchen waste and garden waste is there, I put them inside the pots. So in this manner I'm going to fill up the pot till the top, leaving a little space. And then I'll be composting all of this, and within a month I'll be getting a good quality compost which I can use on my plants again. Over here I'm also adding some of the undecomposed part from my previous composting. So this is going to get composted the next time, and I'm going to add any of the fallen leaves etc. also, even the tea leaves. And once the pots get filled up till the top, I add a layer of soil. I also add some onion peels etc., but not much in quantity, because I create separate compost of onion peels, which I'll make a video later on. Then I add soil on top of the pots and I fill it up completely so that the lower part is covered, and I add a little bit of water. I give it a good soaking for the first time, and then I only sprinkle water when the top layer becomes too dry. So this aids in composting really quickly. So in this manner I create 1 to 2 pots of my compost, and this is going to give me a regular supply of compost for my plants. Remember that some things compost easily while others take time. So for quick and easy composting, use easily compostable things like vegetable peels, fruits, flowers, etc. Avoid using citrus peels like lemons, oranges etc., as they are not easy to compost. And after 15 days, let me show you that the leafy part has mostly decomposed, but there are some fibrous parts which is going to take some more time to decompose. So over here I am going to show you within 15 days the condition is this. So this has not yet decomposed, but some of the leaves etc. have decomposed over here. So usually I keep it in this pot for about a month, and most of the things get easily composted by that time. So this is just for the video I showed you within 15 days. Now you can see after about a month all of the organic matter has decomposed. If a little bit of fibrous material or sticks etc. were there, then that you can remove and you can again reuse it in your next composting process. One important thing is that you should avoid adding diseased leaves when you are composting in these small batches, because the heat produced is not enough to destroy the disease and it can spread to other plants if you are going to use them for composting. And over here you can see that dark colored matter, that is the compost which has formed, and it's really rich and good, and most of the things have composted within a month. A few sticks etc. might be there, so I'll be removing that and I'll be putting it in my next cycle. Also remember, if you want quick composting, then you should avoid adding fish, meat, bones etc., as it does not decompose quickly. And you can also increase the rate of composting by cutting the scraps into smaller size. So this also increases the speed of composting and you will get this really rich and good quality compost. Usually I dry this out for a few days before using it. So this is one of the easiest methods of composting. There are various steps that can be taken to increase the speed of composting by adding certain things which increase the rate of composting. But if you are a lazy person and you just want to compost, then this is one of the easiest methods, because whatever you are going to bury in the soil, it is eventually going to get decomposed and form the compost, and this is not going to give out any foul smell or anything, so you can easily do it in your balcony. I hope you found this video useful, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and thanks for watching.